Bang bang. What's up? What's up? Up 500 bucks today, and the part that I'm happiest about is that we stuck to the game plan that we've been making for ourselves, which is take it slow off the start. Don't go red, don't overtrade, and I feel like I did a pretty good job at that today. Didn't go red at all, and plan on taking it slow, but it was a very hot start on ZENA. Made some aggressive moves off open as well as RVYL, and that's where all of the money came from today. Well, what happened? Bang bang. RVYL and ZENA, and I don't have 20 stocks traded like I have the other days this week. But yeah, very happy with how today went. Obviously, 2 profit factor, higher win percentage, which was also a goal in the back of my head. Not focusing on win percentage itself, but just avoiding the dumbass losses that I was taking. And today is a day that I actually feel like I did a really good job at avoiding those losses. Not trying to toot my own horn, but I didn't feel like I overtraded at all, really. Maybe just a few unnecessary trades here and there, but I caught it quick and I was like, all right, I'm going to take a step back, wait for the best opportunity. Yeah, I forgot to start recording right off open, but made a couple trades here, or yeah, a couple trades on ZENA to start the day. RVYL I was also keeping an eye on. Broke this downtrend. I do remember, I'll show it real quick before I forget. This move right here, I didn't catch any of it. It hit my alert right about here at this shoulder, right here at this shoulder. Let me do this. Here's the head, here's the shoulder. It hit my alert right here, and as soon as I clicked over, boom, made this big candle all the way up to 90, halted, and out of this unhalt instantly, straight up through $1, up to 111 at that next halt level. So that's yeah, like 20 cents that I had missed out on just because I wasn't here at the right time. But was still able to make some good profit while missing that, thankfully.
Bro, I always type this thing in once. I just do the same thing. RYVL. I don't know why my automatically goes to that.
Was looking like it was rejecting after breaking that upper trend line. Looked at mod V for a sec, but realized very early on that it wasn't as scalpable as
my swing trade worked, my day trading didn't.
much so as it would be beneficial to go for like a longer hold on it. But it wasn't really making a very clean, if I remember, didn't really make very clean looks on the chart. Yeah, I kind of stayed away from it today. I was doing okay on the stock that I was trading, and I was like, I don't want to tilt myself or take any unnecessary losses. So I watched it for a bit, a couple times, but didn't end up touching it today. This thing, beside the big moves that I was able to catch on it, I couldn't really make much in like the consolidations and trying to catch like the less macro moves. But like the big moves I was able to do okay on. And I recognized I'm not really making money trying to trade through this chop, so I kind of avoided it in here for over 85 on this previous candle. Make push up through 92 is what I'm thinking. Held up high, a little too long there. Here we go with the push, 90 over 92. It's not continuing up to 5 right away, so I'm selling. Yeah, Just a lot of base hits today. There's actually a lot of big moves too.
Oh, shit.
160. Biggest trade. It was an RVYL. 4,400 shares. A little over 3.5 cents on 4,400 shares. There we go.
Oh, shit.
Back through 5 and 510 is what we're looking for here. What we need. Here's some buyers coming in, some volume rolling in. Not dipping it as far as they were previously. They're holding it up with those sellers. New candle opens high. There's through 5 and 510. Sold a little early there.
I sold too soon.
Well, kind of wanted to see it teleport over this 510, but obviously should have given that one an extra second. Made
Yeah,
some good profit from that trade though.
I sold too soon.
It's like 12 cents.
Yeah, I got the same, I think. Whatever. I told you. 547.
Got in too high on this. Was just staring at this halt level. 32, 32, 32. Push it up to 50. It's over that pre-market high, so I add. But a little preemptive there. It's holding there for a sec, but now it's starting to dip, and I think this ends up knifing. I'm not sure actually what to watch. Here we go, we're back up. New candle opens up, it's still holding high for a second. 39, just double top that.
Oh. They just keep holding it down.
And on all this, I was just extremely patient, waiting for the turn. Didn't want to try to catch the knife as it was falling. But this candle's trying to go green here, right at the end of it. Trying to go green, trying to go green. We'll need to get back over 27, obviously, but it's huge bottoming tail, just went green. Candle's closing, pushing the buyers, needs to get over 39. Bang, there's the break. Need to be in for this 50 break. It wants to continue, so I'm ready right away for it, but I think it ends up rejecting here. But that one was pretty clear there. A lot of chop, but it's closing strong here. Buyers are coming in on this new candle. Just gotta hop in, take the stab. Only 8 cents on that.
That's kind of weak shit.
But still, 8 cents on 660 shares. What's that? 32. It's like 36.80 or something like that. I don't know the exact math. $50 bust. Let's see this. Oh, I missed this one, I remember. Stopped at 42 twice. Up at it again. Need to get over that and then through 48 for the 50 bust. Should be adding there.
Oh, you bitch? Really?
unfortunate. Didn't give it that extra second.
Oh, you
I got
missed,
scared
really?
being in this high. I was like, fuck. I reject.
No.
Why do you guys do that, bro? Oh, and then it goes right back? What is that? Oh, okay, you
Hot
guys are
level's
fucking
88
with me.
now. Ooh, buying high. Figured they would push it though.
Oh, and then it goes right back? What is that? Oh, okay, you guys are fucking with me.
Hold me down.
Starting to fucking get order delay. Up. Why you gotta pump
A little bit weaker there. Knowing that the day level's right there at 85, I'm a little more cautious here.
85, I have an idea of them.
And I broke a 75 a little bit weaker than the previous break, so a little bit more hands off here. I'm pretty sure this is what I'm up on the day. That's funny. I didn't make any more on this.
Yeah.
That's how both these moves feel.
Literally, I only lost on it after this. That's funny. Not a great spot to be at. Want to see it under 50 if I am gonna add for this dip. 53 right there. They held it. It's coming lower though. Ooh, a little bit lower than I wanted to see, and then they hold it down under 50 right there. So I'm out of it, not touching this. And I believe it ends up continuing and flushing. And then RVYL. It's way up. I was so locked in on that other one when it was going that I didn't see this. Needed 376. Holding up high there in the 75, so we had for that. Bang! Big trader today. Holding it up high.
Fucking go.
That was the biggest trade of the day right there.
This thing might come
Once
back
again,
really good.
pretty much all my money just came from the big moves. And I think avoiding trading more actually saved me a lot today. Because beside those big moves, it was a lot of chop. In both this one and in
Oh my god.
ZENA.
I top ticked the sell. The one who made it go down. I got out at 79.27. That's the very, very top.
I got 79.13.
Back to 79. Make a push towards pre-market. Bang bang, stopped right there, 79.2. I sell. They're still holding it up high. Still they hold it. They're just like edging it. And that was 79.4 that time.
MOTV. Should have added.
Gino's popping back up here. Whoa, did I not take it? I must have taken a couple more trades down at least. Let's see this. Back to 65. Oh, added late there, got on high.
Can we like?
Oh, we missed this one.
I'll go with a stick. Do something with them.
Let's see.
Oh shit.
Held it high after tapping 80. Probably should have been in.
Yeah.
Once again, though, I was being a little more
Carried
cautious
out
considering
at
that day low was right there. Just in case of that chance of rejection.
The setup looks so good, but they make it.
RVYL back up. Do that 79.4 and 80. Should already be in right here, probably. Ooh. Ugh.
It's just so annoying.
You can, oh. He's get back through 79.
What is that, bro? No breaks. Oh,
Sketchy spots be adding that. Glad I insta sold that one. Here we go, though. Now it's looking stronger. It's holding up high. Nope. Still doesn't want to do it. Should have broke right there. Should probably be a little more patient unless this candle. Let's see. Oh, there we go.
What?
Took
Oh my god.
took that for a loss.
I'm just taking a loss on everything I've taken.
380
How
now.
did I get in late there?
Oh, fuck.
Oh, look at this. I'm mad about my loss.
I'm just taking a loss on everything I've
Going to check my fill instead of what? Let me look at
How did I
this.
get in late there?
Stupid idiot.
Oh, fuck. I'm
Boom. Missed out on the 3 center.
Oh, me too.
Ooh. Caught this one. Let's see. Back to 80 and then 87. That's what we need. Holding up high. Just didn't look like they were dipping it there. Glad I added. Now through 6. Oh, I should have given that one a second. Yeah, they weren't dipping it. I should have just held it, taken the risk. Yeah. Oh.
Bid. Fuck.
loss.
That was stupid.
Staring at the fill. Nothing's gonna change, buddy. I don't know if the
That was
mic
such
picked that up, but that was a ripper.
Fucking moves. When I try to trade like a quick dip, it's never it. Why did I just
So this is a beautiful look here, and I sell too early on it. Boom, back over 6. Like, why? There's no reason to sell there. Just forfeited 20 cents.
what the fuck?
I trolled that.
I sold right under it. I don't know why. Thought it was gonna.
Need to be giving these ones that have good looks a little bit extra time. Trust myself a little bit more. Oh, gross. A little sloppy there, adding high on that 50 break. Oh, you can see it right here.
Okay.
As soon as I click onto it, RVYL hits my alert, I click over, try to pull up the tape. Nope, already at the whole level.
Okay.
And then out of this hole, boom, straight to 111.
Fuck you, fucking
Chops around there for a while. And yeah, that was most of the day. You can see most of the winners. Actually, the rest of RVYL is on here.
blow. Yo.
No, okay. But yeah, decent day. 500 bucks. Very happy with it. Win percentage and profit factor. Very happy with it. Same game plan for tomorrow. Take it slow. Wait for the one. Slam the gas pedal when it comes. See you then. Peace.